Let's do the futures outlook now. The Nasdaq, as you know, soaring today after falling into correction territory yesterday. Let's bring in Bill Baruch and Brian Stutland for the futures trade. Stutz, tell us, all right, where are we going from here? Everybody wants to know. It's all about the Nasdaq.
Yeah, there's been a ton of talk about Nasdaq value, the rotation that's going on, and there are some really key levels and something interesting going on right now. I'm looking at the June futures contract here because that's going to be the next active futures contract next week. If you look at this 12,800 level on the futures, if we close above there, to me, that's a key reversal here, and we can move significantly higher. If we don't and we fail this, then you're looking at the downside, 12,100, even further in a yikes scenario, 11,200. So I think with expiration coming up next week, if we can get some confirmation to this rally, one more step, you know, if we're 13,000, maybe acts as a magnet for options expiration, then it's higher. But this is a great area to put a hedge on because I don't think the Nasdaq is staying right here. It's either moving significantly higher next quarter, or this is just sell the rip today and give your chance itself to get out of technology and make that rotation into value.
What's the fundamental take, Bill?
Yeah, thanks, Judge. And I really agree with a lot of the levels that Brian's bringing up, and I'm looking at the same exact ones. But for me, this is first a Treasury story and second a tech story, because really what we've seen is the Treasury's yields just really ramp up. And that makes investors, it forces them to make a choice. Are they going to take the risk-free return or overprice some of the overpriced tech stocks? And we've seen that take the wind out of the sails overall. You have the reopening trade going on, the news that J&J with their one-shot vaccine. But at the same time, yesterday, the Nasdaq held that low from Friday. And then also, it's not a coincidence that the Treasuries, the 10-year prices and the 30-year prices also held that low. So as the yield curve flattens right now and comes back in, I think that that's bullish tech, but we got to close above those levels Brian's talking about.
All right, we'll follow that. Thank you, guys.